This is our camera test for the Redmi 13. We are currently shooting with the 108 megapixel main camera. It uses the Samsung ISOCELL HM6 sensor, 33 watts fast charging, 90 hertz display, 5,000 milliamp hours battery, tapos it runs on the MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra chipset. Very affordable phone, 7,999 pesos. And if you'd like to know more about this, just head over to our YouTube channel, hanapin nyo yung Tech Kuya, tapos hanapin nyo yung Redmi 13 videos namin. Okay, but for this camera test, and by the way, we're shooting with the default settings, 1080p, 30 fps. Wala siyang option to increase to 60 fps. So, yun yung default niya. Okay. So, ito yung feature natin ngayon, the Xiaomi Smart Camera C400. Ayan. And these are its main features. Naka-print dito sa baba. Two-way intercom, 4 megapixels camera, ultra low light, color mode, tapos AI human detection. And it works with Alexa and Google Home. I checked the price of the C400 sa Yellow and Orange app. Nasa 1,900 pesos siya. So, yun. Tingnan natin kung may na-miss pa ba tayo. F1.4 large aperture, tapos 360 degree. Uy, 360 degree panorama. Interesting. So, let's go ahead. Buksan natin siya. Close up natin. So, we're using the built-in microphone of the Redmi 13. So sana maganda yung pick up ng mic niya, no? But let me know guys kung okay sa inyo yung mga gandong videos or should we use a mic for better audio next time. Okay. This is manual. User manual in multiple languages. Tapos warranty. Okay. Then we also have a cable, power cable. Dapat mahaba ito, ah. You would want a long cable in case you need to mount this sa may somewhere high sa ceiling nyo or sa poste, sa pader. Hindi natin gaano siya kahaba. Mga 1 meter more or less. Ayan. Longer than your standard typical cable that you get with your smartphones. Tapos ito, wall mount or ceiling mount. Ayan. Kumusta na yung image quality ng Redmi 13? At kumusta rin yung audio quality? Okay, yun na yun. At syempre, yung C400. Meron pa ba? Wala na. Okay, yun na yun. So wala siyang wala pala siyang adapter. Kailangan mo siyang supplyan ng sarili mong adapter. Kung wala kang spare adapter to serve as power source. Okay, game. Ayan na. C400. Alright. Okay, so meron siyang power button dito sa likod. Tapos speakers. Tsaka may vent dito. This thing here is the camera. Alright. Saksak natin. anong mangyayari pag in-on natin. So, I just pushed the power button and I noticed na umilaw at umikot siya mag-isa.
Please use the mobile phone scan the QR code on the boarding labeled and the configuration interface.
Wow.
手机扫描机身标签上的二维码，进入配置界面，
Waiting for connection.
等待连接。
Tapos lumabas yung reset.
等待连
So, we're
接。
gonna reset the smart camera.
Reset complete.
重置成功，
Device booting. Please wait.
正在启动，请稍后。
Okay, so for some reason, tinalikot ko yung camera at lumabas ito. So I'm now gonna connect. Sana yun na yun. No?
Waiting for connection.
等待连接，
Scan again.
Connecting. Please wait.
连接中，请稍后。
Okay, after several tries, we finally get a connecting message.
Connection to Wi-Fi completed.
无线网络连接成功，
Pairing to account completed.
I don't
Device
know what
online.
happened, guys,
账
but
号绑定成功。
it took me several tries bago ko siya napagana. And now it seems that we finally connected the smart camera. Kikita ko sarili ko. Okay. So yung surveillance mode, it uploads a copy online nung iyong recording. Meron siyang subscription. Ito yung price, 140 per month. Stream to cloud. May cloud, tapos merong local, which would store it on your device. Tapos merong SD card option. So ito yung mga actions na pwede mong i-trigger sa Xiaomi Smart Camera. You can turn on or off the home surveillance mode. Tapos you can turn human tracking on or off. You can also put it to sleep. Try natin magsalita. Hello, hello. You can control yung camera kung saan siya nakatingin. Yan, no? It is wide, pero hindi siya yung super wide. Nung una akala ko based sa packaging, 360 degrees yung field of view niya. Pero hindi, yung 360 degrees, it refers to its ability to rotate. So, umiikot naman siya, you can control it. Ayun, so nakita ko na yung SD card slot. Andito siya sa ilalim. Okay, so for those of you who are interested in getting this smart camera, you can get it for 1,900 pesos sa Shopee, Lazada. This is sample recording which I'm taking using the Xiaomi Smart Camera C400. Ano sa palagay nyo, guys? Right now, bukas yung mga ilaw. But later, we're gonna turn all the lights off para naman makita rin natin kung anong itsura kapag madilim. Image quality, from what I'm seeing, kasi I'm looking at my screen right now, mukhang okay naman. Tapos, yun nga, ang mas importante would be the image at night. So, titignan natin yan mamaya pag pinatay natin lahat yung mga ilaw. Okay, so as an example or demonstration, we will be recording this closing still using the Xiaomi C400 Smart Camera. So if you're interested in getting the Xiaomi Smart Camera C400, we're going to link to the official store pages in the description. And meanwhile, if there's anything that you'd like to know about this product or about the Redmi 13, talk to us in the comments and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.